Welcome to 5 is Enough, day 3. We'll get started standing. As you can see, we'll begin by widening the feet. With the toes turned slightly outwards, the heels turned in, and then start to bend into the legs. So you can let the hands rest to the thighs, maybe lean the upper body slightly forwards. Give yourself a little bit of a sway from side to side. The hands can help push the knees away from each other. And then let yourself rock back to center, dipping the right shoulder down, looking over your left shoulder. Big twist here. And then swinging back through center and over to the other side. Looking up towards the ceiling. Returning yourself to center once more. Start to press through the heels of the feet to lift yourself up, straightening the legs. And we'll just take 2 more down and ups like that. So bending through the knees, think about sending the knees behind you. Don't let them collapse in. And then pressing through all 4 corners of the feet to slowly press yourself back up, squeezing through the glutes at the top. And just 1 more like this. Lowering down, knees pressing outwards. Find your balance. Press it up, squeezing through the legs, squeezing through the glutes. Very nice. You can start to toe ball heel the feet back together, and we'll simply step ourselves towards the front of the mat. We'll take 1/2 sun salute here. So standing equally on both feet. Inhale to sweep the arms up overhead, the palms to touch. And exhale, bend through the knees as you bring the upper body forwards. Fingertips can rest to the mat or just dangle. And then inhale, bring the fingertips onto the shins. Straighten through the entire spine, send the crown of the head forwards. And exhale back into your forward fold release. Inhale, press into the feet as you sweep the arms up overhead. Palms can touch. And exhale, return the palms in front of your heart. Beautiful. Inhale, sweep the arms up once more. Maybe you look ever so slightly behind you this time. Exhale to bend through the knees, swan dive the heart forwards as you release. Inhaling, fingertips to shins, lengthen through the spine, coming up halfway. And then exhale this time, bend the knees so that you can bring the hands to the mat. Setting down 1 knee onto the mat, and then the other, we're finding an all-fours position here. And we'll just take 1 round of cat and cow. So inhaling to arc through the spine, sending tailbone and crown of the head up. And then exhale, reverse. Press the mat away, dome through the spine. Bringing yourself back to a neutral spine and starting to walk ourselves forwards into puppy pose. So the hips stay over the knees as they are, and beginning to walk the hands forwards any amount. The forehead begins to dip in the direction of the mat. It might hover, it might rest down. Taking just 3 breaths here, maybe closing the eyes. Deep stretch into the shoulders. Final breath. And then walk the hands back, returning to that all fours and sitting ourselves down just simply onto our left hip with our legs kind of in this zigzag motion off to the right here. You could hold on to your right ankle or just have the right hand resting down beside you as you reach the left arm up and over. And then sweep it back down and stretch the other way. So you could bend through the left elbow, maybe even touch it down to the mat as you reach the right arm. Just 1 more time on each side, swaying back and forth here. And then returning yourself to center so that we can swing our legs across. Find that zigzag to the other side. Again, the left hand could hold on to the ankle or just resting it down somewhere off to the left. Right arm reaches nice and long. And then other side, right hand comes down beside you. Left arm reaches overhead. Finding this 1 more time on each side. Final time. And then straightening yourself up once more, bringing the legs into a tiny little pizza slice, not your maximum here, pointing and flexing through the feet one at a time. Hands can support you behind you to find a nice tall spine. And then let the feet relax. We'll just take a simple twist here towards the right. You can hold the outer of the right thigh, looking behind you. Once again, bringing yourself back over towards the left. Deep twist. Releasing yourself back to center. You can sit as you are, across the legs, closing the eyes for a deep breath in. And let it out. Fantastic work today. You've just experienced a taste of my free 7-day 5 is enough challenge. So if you enjoyed this class, I invite you to join the full challenge. Just click right here or go to the link on screen. Also, don't forget to subscribe so we can keep practicing together, helping you feel and move better every day.